In this task, you are given first name and last name of person on two different lines. Your task is to read them and print the following. So hello, first name, last name, and you just delved into Python. Okay, so we will have to complete the print full name function. Let's see the sample input Ross Taylor. The output is hello Ross Taylor. You just delved into Python. Okay, let's write our code here. So first thing we're gonna do is actually we don't have to do much things here also. First we will have to create the format. So the format is hello and then space, two brackets, space, you just delved into Python and dot. Okay, dot is also necessary. Close the bracket, dot format, and the format, let's pass the first comma the last. Let's run the code. So that's how you format the string. Okay, let's submit the code and see only two test cases, and test case 0 is still running. I hope it gets executed fine. Yeah, it worked fine. Let's move to the next code.